So this one is actually grilled. Nano Babo Kabalen, welcome to Where in Pampanga.
Yes, for today's vlog, nandito tayo sa Clark, Pampanga to check out this new Shabu place.
Guys, this is Shabu Nara, authentic Korean Shabu Shabu. And if you wanna know more about yung mga sinerve nila sa amin, guys, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go! Coming in here dito sa Shabu Nara, sasalubungin ka ng napakalaking place nila. So actually they can accommodate siguro more than 100 packs o 150 packs. Their dining area. And meron din silang dining area doon sa second floor. Nandito rin yung kanilang kitchen to serve yung mga kumakain dito. So punta na tayo doon sa table natin to try yung mga serve nilang food. Hi muna! Hi! So yun yung mga crew natin.
Alright, so this is our table. Hi ka muna, mami.
Hi!
Yun.
Alright, this is just a simple dinner para sa atin dito sa may Clark, Pampanga.
Yun, so this is Shabu Nara. And again guys, napakaganda ng view namin kasi yun Eiffel Tower, oh. So on our table, actually, they allow us to taste yung kanilang original shabu. So that is 699 pesos. Good for one person. So I think, no, talagang mabubusog ka na. That is actually single serving. However, for the vegetable, you can re-ask. According to our orientation with the owner, yung soup natin, this one, the soup is actually all natural. It doesn't have any artificial flavoring, no? Boiled vegetables, seafood, iba-ibang mga flavoring. And they assured us, wala daw itong artificial flavoring like MSG, mga ganun. Okay, so let's start. So this one is actually grilled. No, sizzling pa siya. If you notice, ayan. Ito ang tinawag nilang 𝘿𝘼𝙄𝙔 or grilled short rib patty. Ayan yun, guys. This is at 350 pesos. I think this is shareable. And then another one is pinatikim nila sa atin itong 𝘿𝘼𝙄𝙔 shabu. This is good for two.
Yes.
So para siyang ano,
Wrap salad.
yeah.
And what is here is parang rice wrap.
Rice wrap.
Tapos to make it soft,
Yes.
bibigyan natin siya parang radish, ano yun eh.
Yeah, I think so.
Radish soup. Tapos mix all the veggies niya. Ready to eat na siya.
First time namin gagawin to, guys. So wala kaming idea paano siya actually, yung actual na gagawin. Pero syempre mamaya kakainin naman. Yum yum. Okay.
So, ito yung rice wrap.
Right. Yes.
Sige, i-dip natin.
Ikot mo. Yun.
Hawakan ko na, mga guys.
Go lang, sa'yo yan.
Oo nga, sa akin.
Tapos,
Hanggang sa...
Okay, make a
na?
plate mo. Wow. Put it on your plate.
Yan na gagamitin ko.
pili ka. Kahit anong gusto mo.
Smile lang. Yan. First time wrapper. Yan.
So, dip
it.
natin, dip.
Yes, dip it.
Dip. This is it. Taste.
Yum. Alright. Kumain na tayo. And we're good. Cheers.
So another dish na sinerve natin ay yung kanilang seafood ramen. So alam naman natin pag ramen yan ay talagang masarap habang mainit siya. Wow. Actually, seafood na seafood na siya. Okay, so dito sa Shabu Nara, meron din silang al fresco place dito. So if ayaw mo naman kumain dun sa air condition nila, you could stay here, enjoy your shabu-shabu. Napakasarap kumain ng mainit na shabu-shabu dito dahil continuous yung hangin. Napaka-presko and talagang may enjoy mo.
That was it. Another shabu-shabu day.
Yeah, so
Grabe,
another
sarap.
food experience naman natin. Talagang
Correct.
nabusog tayo when it comes sa mga shabu-shabu nila.
Actually, sobrang busog ko guys. Halos ayoko nang tumayo dun sa upuan ko.
Yes.
But again, thank you so much Shabu Nara for inviting us and congratulations, no? Guys, if you're looking for another place for you to discover, yeah,
You could
grabe.
visit Shabu Nara, located dito sa 𝘿𝘼𝙄𝙇𝙔 Street, Clark. Landmark nga is malapit sa CDC.
CDC, yes.
And they are open from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
Wow. So, yun guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys.